Imagine a device so powerful it makes your laptop feel like a relic, yet so small it disappears into a coat pocket. For over a decade, the tech world has treated the iPad mini like a ghost in the machine, a device that everyone loves, but Apple seemingly forgets for years at a time. We've seen the iPad Pro get the M-series chips and the revolutionary tandem OLED. We've seen the iPad Air get the 13-inch redesign. But the mini, it's been sitting in the shadows, waiting for its moment. Today, the wait is officially over. The whispers coming out of Cupertino and the supply chain leaks from Seoul aren't just rumors anymore. They are a roadmap to the most significant transformation in the history of compact computing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The iPad mini 8 is coming, and it isn't just a refresh. It is a total reboot of what a small tablet is allowed to be. If you are holding an iPad mini 6 or 7, or if you've been waiting for a reason to finally go small, you need to listen very closely. The game is changing, and the rules of the tablet market are about to be rewritten. The story of the iPad mini has always been one of defiance. It's the cult classic of the Apple world. It's the device for the pilots navigating at 30,000 feet, the doctors in the ER, the hardcore gamers who find the iPhone screen too cramped but the Pro too heavy. But for a long time, there's been a mini tax. You paid a premium price for hardware that often felt one step behind. But in 2026, Apple is facing a new reality. The rise of foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold and the Pixel Fold has put a target on the mini's back. To survive, the Mini 8 can't just be good enough anymore. It has to be elite. And according to the latest CAD renders and manufacturing manifests, that is exactly what Apple is building. Let's talk about the breakthrough everyone has been begging for, the display. For years, the jelly scrolling issue on the iPad mini 6 and 7 became a meme, a symbol of Apple's refusal to give the small tablet a high-quality panel. But the supply chain leaks from Samsung Display tell a different story for late 2026. Apple has reportedly placed a massive order for an 8.5-inch OLED panel. Not just any OLED, but a custom-tuned LTPS panel designed specifically for the mini's form factor. This changes everything. We are talking about true blacks, an infinite contrast ratio, and a peak brightness that will finally make this device usable in direct sunlight. But there's a catch that has the tech forums in a frenzy. Will it finally have promotion? The 120Hz refresh rate is the holy grail for mini users. While some leaks suggest Apple might keep 60Hz to protect the Pro sales, the pressure from 120Hz foldable screens is immense. Insiders are hinting at a promotion light, or a variable refresh rate that could finally bring that buttery smooth scrolling to the smallest iPad. Imagine reading a digital comic or scrolling through a long document without a single hint of motion blur. This is the visual leap we've been waiting for. Under the hood, the iPad mini 8 is moving from a portable chip to a powerhouse chip. In the current 2026 landscape, Apple Intelligence isn't just a feature, it's the entire OS. To run the advanced generative AI models that Apple is launching with iPadOS 20, you need serious silicon. The rumors point to the A19 Pro chip, built on a groundbreaking 2-nanometer process. This isn't just an incremental step up from the A17 Pro. We are looking at a neural engine that is twice as fast, capable of processing complex